We are off to explore our neighborhood for a little bit and hopefully get food because we're both starving.
And the beach.
And the beach.
We just got to the ocean, or the beach. The water is so warm.
Yeah, it's really warm, but very dirty, this beach. And pretty populated even though it's so overcast right now.
So the water here is like really brown. I don't know if it's because of like the sand keeps on going up in it or what it is, but it's just not what we're used to in California. We just found a coconut washed up on shore. It's very waterlogged.
Megan is very afraid of coconuts.
Well, no, it's just more people die from coconuts here than that's just a little odd.
And so she feels much safer in the water than out here by the trees.
Stop it.
We are now searching for food because we're both really hungry and we haven't eaten much today. But we're gonna come explore Patong Beach a lot more tomorrow and try to find some more secluded areas as well. Hopefully it'll be a little sunnier tomorrow. We finally settled on a restaurant. It's called the Vech Restaurant, and we just ordered, so now we're just waiting for our food.
Look how pretty this is. I just got a mango shake. Super natural tasting.
What did you order?
Seafood curry. It's their specialty soup, by the way.
Thai specialty soup.
And the water comes in a koozie with a straw.
And I ordered sweet and sour pork, which I'm really excited about. Is it really spicy?
Yeah, a man just walked by and said, "You got the spicy soup? Wow."
Well, dinner was very good.
Ah.
Almost got run over
Pity.
by that. Oh, that actually smelled really good. We almost got run over by a big food cart. We are still so jet lagged. We came back to the hostel just to take a nap and we fell asleep at 6 p.m. and it's now 2 a.m. and we're kind of up for the day. But we need to go back to sleep and try to fight this. And so this is good night. Good morning from Phuket. We are searching for food right now because Megan's hungry for breakfast, and then we want to go to the beach and just walk around a bit. It's still kind of gray, but maybe it'll clear up in a little bit. We have stopped at this little cart to get a noodle dish before we start our big hike today to find other beaches. And so we're just eating right now.
Yesterday we were watching videos about like things to do in Phuket, and one of the things was to find $2 pad thai, and this comes out to be $2.10.
Got it for 70 baht. We did it. How was it?
Very good. I just ate some peppers at the end though, so my mouth is kind of spicy.
Oh, it's spicy? We should find drinks. We're gonna wander along the coast a bit and then try to go swimming. So I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro soon and leave most of our stuff in the hostel room. So when we were looking for food this morning, we walked down this outdoor market and we were wondering why nothing was open yet around 10 a.m. But none of the food places seem open yet. We just came back and it says open from 5 p.m. until late. So it's a night market and we were wondering why. So we just bought a waterproof case so we can bring our phone into the water for 150 baht, so we'll see if it works. We're gonna test it out now once we find a place to swim. So we just passed by a place that was selling the little waterproof pouches for 50 baht, which is a third of what we just spent. And so definitely do your research and try to haggle if you can.
Yeah, we're really bad at haggling. That's something we need to start learning how to do.
This is what happens when I drive. Myself.
But we have learned that I'm an amazing driver.
Megan is much better. We are currently at Karon Beach. Megan did a great job driving. Made it back from Karon Beach and we're all changed and ready to go out and walk the town and get dinner. I got a pineapple fried rice inside a pineapple, which I'm really excited about. It was 150 baht, but I only had 140 left, but they let me go with it. And so now we are run out of cash. And there was no tables available by the food, but the shopkeeper called us over and let us sit behind her shop and even gave me a chair, so that was really nice of her. But the pineapple rice is very, very good. I stink at de-shrimping or de-shelling the shrimp, so my hands are covered now.
I did it all.
Their face is so messy. Made it back to the hostel. Good night. I got sand inside of my laptop and now the keys are all stuck.
Xavier and I are still jet lagged. It is 6:30 in the morning.
We've been up for like 2 hours though.
We just started watching YouTube videos.
Yeah, we've just been watching a lot of YouTube. But there's so much sand in my laptop.